is this noise that is bothering me? Why? Why? It's annoying. I'm trying to sleep. Stop flying above me. You stupid helicopter. Oh.
Huh. You know, you gave me crabs. I'm itching over here. Can't you see that? Honey, there's crabs all over the place in this river. I didn't do nothing. Yeah, well, you did something. But babe, I didn't do anything.
I'm looking for some fishy here. I'm a hungry little seagull, yeah. I want to go hunting for some fishies here. I wonder if I find some food out here. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, he's watching me. Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here and watch him look for food and probably steal it. Stop recording me, man. I ain't getting no damn payments from you, man. You gotta sign a non-disclosed waiver, man.
Take a good shot at me.
I'm flying away. I'm flying away.
They woke me up. I wonder where I could get some good suntan lotion. I'm gonna catch me a nice tan so I can look like a duck. Quack, quack.